welcome back. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I do my makeup when I'm in a rush because, you know, and how I'm going to make my makeup last all day. Sometimes you are in a rush and you have to get things done and you don't have time to just really sit there and do your makeup. So I've already primed my skin, moisturizer, all of that. Then I'm going to go in with my setting powder. So having all your products laid out, that is a game changer, and that's going to save you so much time because you're not like digging through trying to figure out, oh, we're going to start with our base first. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with my concealer. And I'm going to, while my concealer is drying down, I'm going to go in and work on my eyebrows. Well, not work on them, but and then I'm going to, oh, I didn't even put concealer in the middle of my face because that's going to blend out all at once. So while that's drying down a little bit, do any type of cream contour, I'm going to just warm up my face with some blush. Just do a light tapping motion. Under my eyes, since that has been sitting. Out when we put on our foundation, so you just want to make sure blend it on top rather, but because you filled in your eyebrows afterwards, you want to make sure all of that looks good. I'm gonna go a little bit over here, and if you haven't seen my latest video with my thoughts on this product, I will link it in the cards for you. It is the One Size Beauty, and I must say I'm really enjoying it. I've used their deep powder before, but not really the translucent, and I'm like, what took me so long? I really like it. And they actually just came out with 2 new shades. So they have a honey shade and a pink shade, which yeah, I'm very interested to try those. Unfortunately, they don't have those in the mini size. They just have them in the full sizes, but I still want to try them. And this is a true makeup in a rush because as you can hear my voice, it sounds all raspy. Okay, I'm not going to do any liquid blush because it takes a longer time to blend out. So I am going to do some powder blush. This is the Juvia's Place Volume 4. And I'm going to go in and I'm just going to lightly tap. I'm a blush girly. I'm always going to put on blush. I didn't used to be, but I love me a good blush. I like you to be able to see it, okay? No, but honestly, because blush is the first thing to go typically in your makeup. I'm not going to do a wing or anything like that. I'm just going to do, I always have time for lashes because I love a good lash, but I always have time for lashes. Let's do that out. Whatever's left on the brush kind of set around my eyebrows. then apply my finishing powder, and this is just gonna help everything mesh together. Setting this, and we're finished because